Hey guys, again, thanks for tuning in. This is just a quick YouTube short. I just wanted to show you all what I'm giving out to one of my lucky subscribers. Again, that could be you when my subscriber total hits 2,000. We're getting very close, and let's go through it. So, first off, we got some Travel with Carter swag. So, I got a nice shirt for you there. All right, and again, remember, stay golden. There you go. So I got one of those for the lucky winner. I also have an autographed Travel with Carter cap there, thanking you for the support. And at the time of signing, I was at country 86 out of 197. So there we go. A beautiful Tim Hortons coffee cup here. This is a reusable coffee cup. So this is a Canadian coffee staple, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And then inside, I stuffed a couple cute Galapagos Island from Ecuador keychains, or you can use them as just little stuffies. But I got a flamingo, and then I got, of course, the blue-footed booby, which is a nice, beautiful staple of the Galapagos Islands. All right, let's keep moving. Next, I have a beautiful flag here. So there we go. A little bit wrinkled. Okay. This is, again, from Galapagos. So yeah, sorry, that was an Ecuador flag. And then this is no, sorry, this is from Rwanda. So this is they call it Gorilla Coffee. And again, it was amazing. I really enjoyed it while I was there. This is whole beans. So when you grind it up fresh, you guys will enjoy it at home. We got many more things. This is a love pin. This was from when I went to the Coldplay concert in Taiwan. So you can see that on my channel as well. And I want to spread some love with one of you lucky winners. This is a bunch of cacao from Ecuador as well. So this is three nice, beautiful cacao chocolate bars. Okay. This is a fun one. This is my favorite hockey team. So this is a bunch of Toronto Maple Leaf hockey cards over the years, and hopefully I can convert one of you into being a Toronto Maple Leafs fan, as they are the best hockey team in the world. Don't let anybody tell you different. All right, some of the money. So this was from Brunei. So this is a $1 bill from Brunei. Beautiful bill. This is... I can't read the writing, but I believe it's 100,000 from Laos. I could be wrong, but I believe a 100,000 note from Laos. This is a beautiful chocolate bar from Oman. So I hope the winner is a chocolate fan or cacao fan. A few more bills. I got Honduras one. This is a nice spice pack and some recipes from Grenada. So that's I've had that one from a little while. Good thing these things don't go bad. Similar to the coffee beans, they're whole, and then you just grind them up fresh. Whether if it's pestle and mortar or just a electric grinder, either way, that'll be great when you do open it. And then I got a great pack of cards, playing cards. So that is from Brisbane, Australia. My aunt gave me those, and I'm happy to share those with the lucky winner. And then lastly, just a few coins. So some of these coins, let me look quickly. Okay, so this one is from, that's from Brunei. Okay, we got Canadian quarter. Again, arguably the most beautiful money in the world. My biased opinion, of course. This one's from Oman. This is Rwanda. And, sorry, a couple more here. honestly, I'm not sure on the last two. I'll be blunt, but either way, all of this, I'm happy to ship it out tomorrow if we hit that 2,000 subscriber mark. So again, hopefully this will remind you that again, it's not just for me. I'm growing this channel as a community, and again, the whole objective of this channel is that I can help spread some love around the world and help out those with type 1 diabetes that need the right equipment, need the right medicine, right support. And I know I'm very fortunate as a Canadian, but yes, I want to spread some of this love to some of the developing countries and have that same resources shared to them, so that we don't have anybody dying at early ages, and prevent them from having tougher lives than they need to have. So again, spread my love. Please hit that subscribe button. Tell a friend, tell a family member. As soon as I hit 2,000, I'm going to do a random draw to see who my lucky winner is. Once I hit that, I will send this out to you. We'll reach out in message, and then that package is going to somebody soon. So again, thank you all for the love and support. One more time, please hit that subscribe button and tune in every single week as I tell a new story. Stay golden all. Appreciate ya.